Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is for how to kill a kit with style. There's the sketch that I use. And I'm feeling that I'm going to be using sketches for almost all of my layouts except for one so far I have planned for this particular kit. If you've been following me on Instagram, I do list all of my social media platforms at the bottom of all of my videos, but if you followed me on Instagram, I stated that I was going to try to get like 5 or 6 layouts done between these couple of days here so that I am all ready to go, because I have an amazing thing that's going up on my channel starting in September called Scraptember, where a few of us are going to do a video a day in the month of September. And I wanted to be able to get some of them done because I start college again at the end of this month on the 20th, and I wanted to knock out some of those videos so that I'm not too, I don't want to say bombarded, but I don't want to be sitting there with trying to do videos and college at the same time, which I know I probably will be anyway, but it's, to try to get it cut down as much as I possibly can. So here I am in the sketch. It shows that there is a bunch of strips in the one corner and then strips in the other corner. So instead of doing a 12 by 12 layout, this is an 8.5 by 11. So I did it just a little bit differently. I brought the one that's more in the middle, the bottom middle, I brought it down to the way bottom like this. But I still do all of the paper layouts just like it is on there. And I place everything down, and I do off camera do a bunch of stitching and that kind of stuff, and I do show you that as well, that I do get that done. And I'm just placing these strips just randomly wherever, because I do place my photo and some sticker embellishments, but not too much. These 8.5 by 11 layouts have been going together quickly. They're done in about 30 to 35 minutes, which is not a normal layout for me. Normally it's, I would say, 45 minutes to an hour and 15 or so per layout. And I like that these are going together quick because I am going to Heather's fall retreat in November, and I want to be able to have almost of these layouts done so that I can work on all of the December daily type stuff and that kind of stuff in the month of November, December. But I also want to be able to come home and scrapbook all of the pictures that we take when we're at that retreat. And they are all going to go into this layout. I'm going to keep all my retreat stuff at a 8.5 by 11 type layouts. And I do know that my layout for the expo, like when I go, or what I did with Heather in July, that one's going in a traveler's notebook. And I am fortunate enough to go to Creativation with Cheeky Studio. And that one I think I'm going to do in a traveler's notebook too, just because I think with all the pictures that I'll take, it'll just be cute to do it in there. So I am all done with the papers, and I do up this one embellishment, and I do know that I change and finish the rest of this at a different date or different time, like I do it the next day. So there's all of my stitching that I did, and I just back some of these photos up with some layering, and then it's pretty much done. Like, I don't do much more than that. I do obviously do my title. My title is Stay Magical. The picture, this particular picture here, is of all of my staging area, like where I stage to put everything so I can put it all in my car the night before. So I pack as I go during the week to when I go to crops like this, and I set it all in my little staging area. And my outfit that I'm going to wear the night when we decided to go out to eat at this particular crop, so I wanted to be dressed up in a dress to go and out to be kind of fancy. and whatnot. So that's what's all there. And then I do have all my bags down on the bottom, and that's just kind of where the staging area is. And it turned out to be a really cute picture, and so I have to scrap it. You know, you've got to scrap from the beginning to the end, right? And I'm just fussy cutting out some of those flowers off of this. Please make sure you go check out all of the other ladies that are linked down below. They're doing their layouts at different times, but just keep checking on back. You'll see what they're doing for the summer, the last month here. And let's see here. I'm just embellishing, getting everything down. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. A lot of things are happening this fall, so you'll get to see tons and tons of different layouts and what's going on. And let me tell you, September is going to be amazing because we've got 30 days of sketches that are going to be coming out of me and my brain, along with 4 other people. The 4 people are Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, Daisy from Daisy Scraps, and then Heather from Heather's Beautiful Life. All 3 of us are going to do a video a day, and we will have a hashtag for you ready to go and all that kind of stuff. And I have mine all set up and ready to go for different things that I'm planning on doing for the month. Like I've got each day of the week, I have a theme. So each week you'll see a video of that theme on that day, just so I can keep my mojo going. So I'm pretty excited. I'm just finishing up with my Dear Lizzie kit that I put together. Like I said, I'll link everything down below, give everything. And I think pretty much I'm going to finish this up here. I do use the title Stay Magical because I feel that when you're scrapping and prepping and stuff, it's all magically getting all put together. And that is Vibes Glorious Day that you can find on the Cheeky Studio website. And I'm going to leave you with this, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye!